Hey there! We're so excited to have you join us. Welcome to the wonderful world of Pinterest, a place where your imagination can run wild. It's like a giant digital bulletin board where you can save and organize all your favorite ideas, inspirations, and dreams. Think recipes that make your mouth water, home decor that transforms your space, fashion tips that keep you stylish, DIY projects that spark your creativity, and anything else you can imagine. The possibilities are truly endless. Pinterest is your personal inspiration hub, a place where you can collect and curate ideas that resonate with you. It's a place to discover new things, dream big, and turn those dreams into reality. Whether you're planning a wedding, redecorating your living room, or just looking for some fun crafts to do with the kids, Pinterest has you covered. From intricate wedding plans to simple, fun crafts for kids, Pinterest is your go-to source for inspiration. The best part? It's super easy to use. With just a few clicks, you can start pinning and organizing your favorite ideas. In this guide, I'll walk you through the basics of setting up your account, creating boards, and pinning content. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started. From creating your first board to pinning your first piece of content, and even discovering new ideas, we've got you covered. Get ready to unleash your creativity and explore a world of endless possibilities. Pinterest is more than just a platform. It's a community of dreamers, creators, and doers. So dive in, start pinning, and let your imagination soar. Welcome to Pinterest, where your next great idea is just a pin away. First things first, let's get you set up with your very own Pinterest account. Whether you're here to find inspiration for your next big project, discover new recipes, or simply explore creative ideas, having a Pinterest account will open up a world of possibilities for you. Don't worry, it's as easy as pie. Pinterest has made the sign-up process incredibly user-friendly, so you can get started in no time. Head over to Pinterest.com and click on the sign-up button. This will take you to the registration page where you can begin creating your account. You can create an account using your email address, or connect through your Facebook or Google account. This flexibility allows you to choose the method that works best for you, making the process even more convenient. Once you've signed up, Pinterest will ask you to select a few topics that interest you. These topics can range from home decor and fashion to travel and fitness. By selecting your interests, Pinterest can tailor your experience to show you content that you'll find most engaging and relevant. This helps personalize your home feed so you see more of what you love. Your home feed will be filled with pins and boards that match your interests, making it easier for you to discover new ideas and inspiration. You can also start creating your own boards and pinning images that you find interesting. This way, you can organize your ideas and inspirations in one place, making it easy to refer back to them whenever you need. Don't forget to explore the search bar at the top of the page. You can type in keywords related to what you're looking for, and Pinterest will show you a variety of pins and boards that match your search. You can also follow other users whose boards you find interesting. Engaging with pins by liking or commenting can help you connect with the Pinterest community and discover even more great content. And that's it! You're officially part of the Pinterest community. Welcome aboard! Now, go ahead and start exploring, pinning, and creating. The possibilities are endless, and we can't wait to see what you'll discover and share. Think of boards as digital bulletin boards where you can organize your pins. You can create boards for any topic you like. Some popular board ideas include recipes, home decor, fashion, travel, DIY projects, and wedding inspiration. To create a board, click on your profile icon and select Create a Board. Give your board a name and a description and choose whether you want it to be secret, only you can see it, or public. Now for the fun part, pinning. This is where Pinterest truly shines and becomes your personal treasure trove of ideas and inspiration. Whether you're planning a dream vacation, redecorating your home, or just collecting recipes, pinning helps you keep everything organized and easily accessible. When you find something you like on Pinterest or around the web, you can save it to your boards by pinning it. This way, you can come back to it anytime you want. Imagine having a digital bulletin board where you can pin all your favorite things, from fashion tips to DIY projects, all in one place. To pin from Pinterest, simply hover over the image or video you want to save and click on the Save button that appears. It's that easy. This feature makes it incredibly convenient to gather all the content that catches your eye without any hassle. Then, choose which board you want to pin it to. You can create different boards for different themes or projects, making it super easy to find what you're looking for later. For example, you might have one board for wedding ideas, another for gardening tips, and yet another for workout routines. You can also pin things you find on other websites. This means your inspiration isn't limited to just Pinterest. If you stumble upon a great article, a stunning photo, or a must-try recipe while browsing the web, you can easily add it to your Pinterest boards. Just look for the Pin It button or extension on your web browser. With a simple click, you can save content from virtually any website directly to your Pinterest boards. This makes Pinterest a powerful tool for curating content from all over the internet, ensuring you never lose track of the ideas and inspiration you love. Section 5. Finding inspiration, search and explore. Pinterest is a treasure trove of ideas, and the search bar is your best friend for finding exactly what you're looking for. Simply type in a keyword or phrase, and Pinterest will show you a plethora of pins related to your search. But the fun doesn't stop there. Pinterest also has an amazing Explore tab, where you can discover new ideas based on your interests. You'll find curated collections, trending topics, and personalized recommendations just for you. Section 6. Staying organized, tips for tidy boards. As you start pinning up a storm, it's important to keep your boards organized. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Here are a few tips. Use clear and concise board names. Add descriptions to your boards to make it easy to find what you're looking for. Regularly go through your boards and delete any pins that are no longer relevant or inspiring. Consider creating subboards within your main boards to further categorize your pins. Section 7. Unleashing the power of sections. Did you know that you can organize your pins even further with sections? Sections are like mini boards within your boards, allowing you to group similar pins together. For example, if you have a board for recipes, you could create sections for appetizers, main courses, desserts, and so on. To create a section, go to your board and click on the Add Section button. Give your section a name, and then you can start adding pins to it. Section 8. Picture perfect, creating eye-catching pins. When you're pinning from the web, try to choose images that are high quality and visually appealing. Vertical images tend to perform best on Pinterest. If you're creating your own pins, use bright colors, bold text, and eye-catching graphics to make them stand out. And don't forget to add a descriptive title and description so people know what your pin is all about.
Know you've been a good friend.
Section 9. Sharing is caring, spreading the Pinterest love. Found a pin that you think your friends would love? Share it. You can share pins directly to other social media platforms, via email, or even embed them on your website or blog. To share a pin, simply click on the Share button and choose your preferred method of sharing. You can also invite friends to collaborate on boards with you. It's a fun way to share ideas and inspiration with the people you love. Section 10. Pinterest on the go, the mobile app. Take Pinterest with you wherever you go with the handy-dandy mobile app. Available for both iOS and Android devices, the Pinterest app lets you browse your feed, pin content, create boards, and more, all from the palm of your hand. The app is also great for capturing inspiration on the go. See something you like in a store? Snap a photo and create a pin right then and there. Section 11. Happy pinning. Congratulations, my friend. You're well on your way to becoming a Pinterest pro. Remember to have fun, let your creativity run wild, and don't be afraid to experiment. The more you use Pinterest, the more you'll discover all the amazing things it has to offer. Happy pinning!